Monica Maggu from Diet Point. I'm the Chief Nutritionist at Diet Point, and today we are going to list out few factors to how to maintain your weight loss journey. Many a times we start with a diet, है ना? Most of the times we think कि आज से diet start, and then we start with the diet, and after doing it for 3 to 4 days or 1 week or even 10-15 days, we give up, right? So let me discuss today, or let me give those 5 points that you should be keeping in mind when you want to start your weight loss journey. What actually I did so that I can able or I am able to maintain that weight loss journey. So first and foremost thing that you have to do is, do not start your 100% diet on the first day itself. Like what people do is, they will download a diet from Google, or they get a diet from a dietitian, and they have to follow it 100%. That doesn't happen, because even to get a small change done in your routine, you require at least 10 to 15 days of every day doing that small change. So when you think of doing a small change, for example, I will skip tea from today, or I will add fruits in the evening. One small change also requires around 10 days for your brain to register, okay, I have to do this every day. Okay? So do not be very harsh on yourself, and do not think that you should be following it 100%. Even if you are able to change 2 to 3 habits per day, that is more than enough, and you will start seeing results. When you start seeing results, it will motivate you further to change another habits too. So change starts with a very small step, okay? Like for example, instead of 4 cups of coffee, I will take 2 cups of coffee today. Instead of eating junk in the evening, or maybe bhel puri, sev puri, I will take fruits today. So that way, start changing in a very small manner. Second is, make a structured plan, okay? Don't just go on downloading diets from anywhere, or any dietitian is giving you a free sample diet. Just don't go by that, because it will not help you. Those are general things. Now for example, if you just read somewhere that intermittent fasting is good, but you are somebody jinka work timings are not matching with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a very good diet, but may not work for you, because it should fit in your routine. So whenever you think of starting a diet plan, sit down, relax, give 15-20 minutes and think about it. Will that work for you? Does it fit in your routine? Do you have to take some efforts, or do you have to take a lot of efforts to follow that? If it is lot of efforts and you are very determined, chances are high that you may not be able to continue for a longer period of time. So start with a diet which has smaller efforts initially, and then you follow that lot of efforts wala diet, and eventually you will get there. So always have a plan B. For example, if the diet says eat soya bean, and it is not possible for us to have soya bean every day, or sometimes you don't know the recipes, or sometimes you just late from office and you don't have the time to cook. So always have a plan B. If this does not work, what are the options? Okay, so before you start, make sure that you are having a plan B with yourself, which is also healthy, so that if you're not able to follow a diet for a few days, even if you're not following, the plan B is a healthy option which will help you not to gain back whatever little you have lost. Join social media groups, okay? Or maybe you can have a exercise buddy, or you can have a diet buddy. So both of you 10 people plan together. It will help you motivate. Even if 1 out of 10 people is doing well, others will start following it, and you would be able to do it much better. I have seen generally couples, husband, wife, brother, sister, when they do it together, they do it much better than following it single-handedly. Do not opt for free plans. Trust me on this. There are many dietitians who would give a free sample diet chart, free diet chart for 10 days. Trust me, doesn't work. Jab tak you don't pay some amount, even if it is very little, you're not serious about it. When you pay a certain amount, it starts pinching you. okay, and you don't make excuses to follow the diet. You actually put in a lot of effort to follow the diet. When it is free, it doesn't hold any value. This is by experience, and I'm saying there are so many free diets we must have given, and we realize the same people who, when pay up, they actually follow very well, and they do not follow on free diets. So this is human psychology, right? Get variety. Eating the same soup every day, eating the same sabzi every day, eating the same dal, you're bound to give up very soon. So similarly, by, for example, keto diet, people eat a lot of fatty food on keto diet, and eventually they stop eating because they can't eat the same buttery food every day, and that is why the weight bounces back. So if you are starting keto, if you're starting intermittent, if you're starting anything, make sure you have option for every meal, and one meal should be having at least 3 to 4, 5 options, so that you keep changing. When you are able to do that, all these options, healthier options, if you eat the same healthier options for 1 month, you will start seeing a good amount of inch loss initially, and which will progress to weight loss. I hope these tips are helpful. These tips have been helpful to me. These are the same tips we use when a clients get started with us. We start slowly and then start building up. So do not lose the motivation in 2021. Make sure that you achieve your fat loss goals. Thank you so much for watching.